You've worked your whole life to build your retirement, but what happens if the economy takes a turn for the worse? Inflation is climbing, interest rates are rising, and many American retirees are facing the fear of losing everything they've saved up for years. Just this week, headlines are filled with news of the stock market volatility. The banking crisis is still fresh in everyone's mind, and with President Trump making headlines for his strong statements on economic stability, it's clear that financial uncertainty is on everyone's radar. But what if there's a way to protect yourself from these threats and safeguard your hard-earned savings? That's where Gold IRA comes in. Meet Bob and Linda Johnson, a couple from Clearwater, Florida. Bob worked as an engineer for over 30 years, and Linda was a teacher. They spent their careers building their nest egg, and by the time they retired, they had accumulated $550,000 in their 401k. But with the way things were looking, market crashes, inflation soaring, and constant economic instability, they started to worry. Bob and Linda wanted to protect their retirement, not just for themselves, but for their children and grandchildren. They didn't want to see their savings lose value just because of some stock market crash. So they took the first step by calling for the free Gold IRA consultation. And it was the best decision they made. A Gold IRA allows you to transfer part of your traditional IRA or 401k into physical gold, silver, and other precious metals. This isn't just a way to invest in precious metals. It's a way to protect your wealth against the volatility of the stock market. Gold has historically held its value during times of crisis, like the 2008 financial crash and the most recent market downturns. Why gold? Because while the dollar loses value over time, gold remains a stable, tangible asset. It's something you can hold, something that can't be devalued by a government printing more money or a market crash. And let's talk about peace of mind. Imagine knowing that, no matter what happens in the economy, you're still sitting on a solid, valuable asset that can weather the storm. Bob and Linda did just that. Their Gold IRA helped protect their savings, and now they're not just financially secure, they're sleeping easy at night. If you're like Bob and Linda and want to secure your future, protect your nest egg, and make sure your retirement is as safe as possible, it's time to take action. You've worked hard for your money, and now it's time to make it work for you. Click the link below to get your free Gold IRA guide, and if you qualify, you'll also get a no-obligation educational call with one of our specialists. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one education about how a Gold IRA can help protect your wealth. But don't wait. Every day that passes is another day your savings could be at risk. Secure your retirement today. Remember, this is about more than just investing. It's about ensuring the financial future of you and your family. Don't let market instability jeopardize what you've worked for. Get your free guide now and let us help you protect your wealth, just like we did for Bob and Linda.